How to create a curriculum vitae or CV in Canva. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that is trying to get started with their professional career and you need to build your CV, you can actually do this in Canva, and a lot of people think that Canva CVs must be awful, but Canva actually has some amazing design templates available. So log on to Canva and then simply search for CV over here, and you can search for CV template, CV professional, and once you do that you will find several different templates. Now your industry template is going to be different. The reason for this is that a lot of these templates include images, which is something that is not standard at all, because in most regions CV templates do not have images. So unless you're a model, unless your industry is requiring you to add an image, you're not going to add an image. Ideally, your CV needs to have your basic information on top, work experience, and then your skills, education, and then any hobbies or any other certification that you may have. These types of templates work really well when it comes to a professional resume or a professional CV. So this includes professional experience, summary, as well as project, skills, education, and additional information. This is a really great template that you guys can utilize, and there are even free templates that are just as good. So you can explore some of the templates available over here. Now you're going to scroll around and find the best template that you think is going to be the most relevant. These types of templates are not my personal favorite, but are something that can work pretty well as well. This again is a really decent template as well. So just choose the template that you want to use. I'm going to be using something along these lines, which is very simple, and then just click on customize template. Once you do that, all you have to do is input your own information. So starting off, I'm going to change my name over here, Lily Davis, and then we're going to add a psychologist as well as voiceover artist. And then your professional summary. So this includes anything that you have achieved and you're doing, what you're actively doing within your job. So I am a professional voice for innovation and creativity, providing people the tools they need to get ahead in life, so on and so forth. We can further add more information. Then we have our contact information. Now I like to move this up top. I don't like to have a separate section for this, so I'm just going to move this over here. I don't like to include my address over here either, so I'm just going to move this and add my phone and email number on top, and then I'm going to hold all of this together and move it over here like so. Then I have my work experience, and then academic history, and then certifications. You can add anything else, including any of your activities or any of your extra skills that you might have acquired. You can add those here as well. Once done, just click on share and then click on download on the right side, and you can download your resume or your CV as a PDF. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.